Hi everyone, welcome back. You're watching Math with Anila. In the previous class, we have learned about AP and its nth term. Today, let's solve few sums on AP. Given a sequence 8, 13, 18, 23, etc. And we need to check whether this 405 is a term of the given sequence or not. So for that, first what we have to do is, we should check whether the given sequence is an AP or not. How to check it? First, we have to find the difference between the consecutive terms. That is 13 minus 8, that's equal to 5. 18 minus 13, again it's 5. And 23 minus 18. That is also 5 itself. So, we are getting a constant in all the cases. Therefore, we can say that the given sequence is an AP. Since it is an AP, consider this 405 is a term of the AP. Let Tn be 405. And we know what's the formula to find Tn. That is A plus n minus 1 into D. First, let's find what is A. A is equal to 8 and D is equal to 18 minus 13, that's equal to 5. Let's substitute 8 plus n minus 1 into what is D? 5 is equal to 405. 8 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to 405. 5n plus 3 is equal to 405. Plus 8 and minus 5 becomes plus 3. 5n is equal to 405 minus 3. 5n is equal to 402. This implies n is equal to 402 divided by 5. That is equal to 82 by 5. Here we are getting n is equal to 82 by 5. That is a fraction. But number of terms of any sequence never be a fraction. It is a number. Therefore, we can say that 405 is not a term of this particular AP. And always remember, the number of terms of every sequence is a natural number. That cannot be a fraction. Now, you need to check whether 205 is a term of the sequence 8, 12, 16, 20, etc. Check whether how many terms are there in this sequence. We need to find the number of terms. The last term of the sequence is given. It's an AP 4, 7, 10, 13, etc. Since the difference between two consecutive terms is same. So we need to check how many terms are there in this particular sequence. Consider this as the nth term. So Tn is equal to 148. A is equal to 4 and D is equal to 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 148. A is 4. Substitute 4 plus n minus 1 into D is 3 is equal to 148. N 3 into n minus 1 is equal to 148 minus 4. 3 into n minus 1 is equal to 144. Cancel both the sides by 3. We get this as 48. So, n minus 1 is equal to 48. That implies n is equal to 48 plus 1, that is 49. Therefore, we can say that there are 49 terms in this particular sequence. Now, you can find how many terms are there in this particular series. 3 by 4, 1, 1 by 4, etc. 3. Now consider this question. It's given that the third term of the AP is 5 and seventh term of the AP is 9. We need to find the AP as well as the 17th term. So how to find it? Let's see. First, let's find T7 minus T3. That is equal to 9 minus 5. What is T7? That is A plus 6D minus A plus 2D. Since we know that T7 is A plus 6D, T7 is A plus 6D and T3 is A plus 2D. Okay, that is equal to 4. Now, remove the brackets. A plus 6D minus A minus 2D is equal to 4. Plus A minus A get cancels and 6D minus 2D is 4D is equal to 4. This implies D is equal to 1. So we got the common difference as 1. Now let's find what is A. Substitute in T3, that is A plus 2D is equal to 5, that is given. A plus 2 into 1 is equal to 5. We are substituting the value of D in this place. You get this as A plus 2 is equal to 5. That implies A is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. So the value of A we are getting as 3. Now we need to find the AP. AP means you need to find T1, T2, T3, T4. That is 3 to 4 terms you need to find. So as we know, this A is equal to 3, that is T1, and T2 is equal to A plus D, that is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and T3 is equal to A plus 2D, that is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5, and T4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is A plus 3 into 1, that's equal to 3 plus 3 into 1, that is 6. These are the terms of the AP we are getting. Therefore, the AP is, first term is 3, then the next is 4, 5, 6, etc. This is the AP. Now we need to find T17. T17 is equal to A plus 16D by the formula. So what is A? A is 3 plus 16 into D is 1. So that is 3 plus 16 is equal to 19. Therefore, the 17th term is 90. Now this question is for you. The 5th and the 6th terms are 6 and 5 respectively. Find the arithmetic progression and the 11th term. Now let's find the rth term from the end of a finite AP. See, if there are countable number of terms in an AP, that is called as a finite AP. Look at that, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. If the last term is given as 102, then this is a finite AP. That means there is a last term for the given AP. When there are infinite number of terms in an AP, that is called as an infinite AP. Here, this is a finite AP and the last term is given as 102. And usually last term is represented by Tn, and this also can be represented by using the letter L. So the last term is represented as L. If A is the first term of an AP, D is the common difference, and there are n terms, then we can find the rth term from the end of the AP. So the formula is n minus r plus 1th term. So we need to use this particular formula and find the rth term from the end of an AP. Let's consider an example. Find the 12th term from the end of the given AP, 13, 18, 23, etc. 158. So the last term is given as 158. We need to find the 12th term from the last. For that, first we need to know how many terms are there in this AP. Consider this as Tn. Tn is equal to 158. That is given. Now what's the first term? That is 13. And the common difference D is equal to 18 minus 13, that is equal to 5. Now let's substitute these values in this Tn. What is Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 158. Substitute the values of A and D. 13 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 158. 5 into n minus 1 is equal to 158 minus 13. 5 into n minus 1 is equal to, if you subtract 13 from 158, you will get this as 145. Divided by 5, you will get this as 29. So n minus 1 is equal to 29. That implies n is equal to 29 plus 1, that is 30. So we can say that this particular AP has 30 terms. Now we need to find the 12th term from the end. So we got the value of n as 30. So you can see that there are 30 terms in this particular AP. Now let's find the 12th term from the end. So the formula is n minus r plus 1th term. So the 12th term from the end is n minus r plus 1th term. Let's find which term we need to find. When you are substituting, we will get this as 30 minus r is 12, 12 plus 1th term. That is what we need to find. So when we are finding the 12th term from the end, that is same as 30 minus 12 plus 1th term from the beginning. And that is same as 30 minus 12 is 18, 18 plus 1, 19th term. That is, we need to find the 19th term from the beginning. So we will get the term which is 12th term from the end of the given AP. So what is the 19th term? That is T19. What is T19? A plus 18D. Let's find the 19th term. What is A here? A is 13. So 13 plus 18D. 18 into, what is the common difference? 18 minus 13 is 5. So 18 into 5. That is equal to 13 plus 90, and that is same as 103. So we got the 19th term as 103, and that is the 12th term from the end of the given AP. This is how we can find term which is the rth term from the end of an AP. Now this question is for you. You can find the 10th term from the end of an AP. 4, 9, 14, etc. 254. That's all for today. Thank you.